Best car exterior cleaners remove stubborn dirt, restore glossy finish, protect paint, and keep vehicles looking showroom new with minimal effort. My today's video is about top 5 best car exterior cleaners for sparkling shine that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is an impressive solution for anyone looking to restore their vehicle's paint without spending a fortune on professional detailing. Its advanced micro-abrasive technology effectively removes scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and stubborn water spots while maintaining a smooth, glossy finish. Unlike many harsh rubbing compounds, this formula works quickly without leaving haze or dullness behind, making it safe for clear coats and all glossy paints. What stands out most is how easily it restores faded paint and enhances color clarity, giving vehicles a deep, showroom-quality shine within minutes. Whether applied by hand or with a DA polisher, the compound delivers professional-looking results with minimal effort. It cuts through imperfections fast while leaving the surface swirl-free and polished. For car owners seeking a reliable DIY paint correction product, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound offers excellent performance, durability, and a like-new shine that truly transforms tired-looking paintwork. Now our second product is Chemical Guy's Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover. Chemical Guy's Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover is a powerful detailing solution designed to eliminate stubborn mineral deposits and hard water stains with impressive ease. Its thick gel formula clings well to vertical surfaces, giving the product extra working time to break down tough spots on paint, glass, chrome, aluminum, and stainless steel. Unlike many harsh cleaners, it safely removes watermarks without damaging clear coats or polished finishes, making it ideal for routine detailing. The formula not only restores clarity and shine, but also prepares surfaces for waxes and sealants by removing grime that can interfere with proper bonding. This results in longer-lasting protection and a smoother finish. Application is simple. Just apply, gently rub, and wipe or rinse away for noticeable results. Beyond automotive care, it also works effectively on boats, RVs, and household glass or metal surfaces. For anyone struggling with stubborn water spots, this remover delivers reliable, professional-grade cleaning performance with minimal effort. Our third product is Rain-X 620191 Car Wash. Rain-X Foaming Car Wash Soap delivers an excellent balance of cleaning power and paint protection, making it a reliable choice for routine vehicle maintenance. Its concentrated, high-foaming formula effectively lifts dirt, road grime, salt, and debris without stripping existing wax or dulling the paint surface. The wash creates rich suds that glide smoothly across the vehicle, helping reduce spots and streaks while leaving behind a glossy, polished finish. One of the standout features is its biodegradable formula, offering strong cleaning performance while remaining environmentally conscious. Even after a single wash, the vehicle looks noticeably brighter with enhanced shine and clarity. The soap rinses cleanly and works well with wash mitts or sponges, making the entire process simple and efficient. Backed by Rain-X's long-standing reputation in automotive care, this car wash soap provides dependable results for drivers who want a clean, streak-free finish without damaging protective coatings. It's an easy and effective solution for keeping vehicles looking freshly detailed year-round. Now number 4, Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. Cerakote Ceramic Paint Sealant stands out as a premium solution for drivers who want long-lasting protection with an incredible showroom shine. Its industry-leading 50-wash durability proves this formula is designed for serious performance, maintaining gloss and protection far longer than many traditional spray sealants. The ceramic technology creates an extremely hydrophobic surface that repels water, mud, road grime, and dirt, helping vehicles stay cleaner between washes. What truly makes this product impressive is the mirror-like shine it leaves behind. The finish looks deep, reflective, and professionally detailed, while the slick surface feels exceptionally smooth to the touch. Despite delivering high-end results, the application process is refreshingly simple. Just spray onto a clean, dry panel and buff lightly for instant gloss and protection without complicated steps. The enhanced ceramic coating also improves paint clarity and adds a protective barrier against environmental contaminants. For car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, Cerakote delivers outstanding shine, durability, and effortless maintenance in one easy-to-use formula. And our last choice is Fast Orange 25219 Pumice Lotion. This citrus-based hand cleaner delivers impressive cleaning power while remaining gentle on the skin, making it an excellent choice for mechanics, industrial workers, and DIY enthusiasts. The natural citrus formula effectively breaks down stubborn grease, oil, grime, and dirt without requiring water, providing quick and convenient cleaning after demanding tasks. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, it is free from mineral oils and ammonia, reducing the risk of irritation on cuts, scrapes, or sensitive skin. What truly sets this cleaner apart is its skin conditioning ingredients, including aloe, lanolin, and glycerin. These moisturizing agents help prevent dryness and leave hands feeling soft and refreshed even after repeated use. The fresh citrus scent also adds a pleasant touch, making the cleaning process more enjoyable. Beyond hand cleaning, its versatility is a major advantage. It works effectively for removing laundry stains, tackling pet odors, and handling various household cleaning jobs. Overall, it combines strong cleaning performance, skincare benefits, and multi-purpose functionality in one reliable product. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.